Somewhere in a magical land lives a tiny, funny creature with big ears and a cheeky grin. It's Labubu! Today we're gonna draw this adorable little monster step by step. So get your colors ready. An adventure in art is about to begin.
Lines on paper start to grow. Shapes and shades begin to show. Colors blend, they start to flow, creating worlds I get to know. Sketching dreams with every stroke. In this silence, hope invokes. From a blank sheet, life awoke. In my art, I find my spoke. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every line cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams in black and white, bringing colors into the light. Pencil whispers softly guide lines that twist and never hide. Every image speaks with pride. In my heart, a vision's ride. Tracing future with my hand. Every line I understand. In this moment I command infinite lands where I stand. Drawing my dreams, sketching my life. Every line cuts like a knife. Drawing my dreams in black and white.
Look at our Labubu. He's all sketched and ready, but something's missing. Oh, color! Let's grab our crayons and make him bright, fun, and full of life.
Red finger here to boot play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye. Colors shine in the sky. Emily learned and played. What a fun, colorful day. Colors, colors, fingers. hooray!
Wow! Labubu looks amazing with all those colors. But do you know what would make him even more fun? Let's add some glitter. Time to make our drawing sparkle and shine like magic. Look at that sparkle! Labubu looks so magical. You did an awesome job! Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next fun drawing. More cute and fun characters are coming soon. See you next time, friends!